Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. This is a brief introduction video about our company Illumine Career Center Private Limited. Illumine Career Center Private Limited is a company incorporated in 2018 with an aim to impart soft skills, corporate training and HR consultancy services. We are headquartered in Ballari, Karnataka. Our mission and vision are as follows. Mission: to mold young minds to suit varied needs of employers, to make them job ready by imbibing in them the requisite soft skills and imparting necessary attributes to transform them into an asset for the employers and making them invaluable cogs of wheels of a progressive young India. Vision: to be a premier academy involved in imparting personality development skills, career guidance, and human resource outsourcers with an ultimate goal of being a facilitator bridging the gap between the ever-growing needs of the employers and the enormous talent pool among the youth of the nation. Now let us have a brief look at our team. Mr. Prakash V. Kulkarni is the chief mentor of our company. He is a winner of state award and gold medals. He is a subject expert in English grammar and geography. He has over 30 years of teaching experience and thousands of trainees have been benefited out of his training sessions. His simple methods of teaching have given him a huge student following and he is very respected in the teachers fraternity also. Mr. Sagar Prakash Kulkarni is a promoter director of the company. He is a passionate soft skills trainer and a tax consultant. He has also served as faculty for corporate law and auditing for CA intermediate level. He brings his creativity and enthusiasm to the training sessions of Illumine Career Center. Mr. Hari PS is also a promoter director of the company. He is a practicing chartered accountant with over 8 years of experience in taxation, corporate law, bookkeeping, auditing, and allied services. He is very passionate about imparting practical skills in the fields of his expertise. Now let us have a look at the courses offered by Illumine Career Center. Illumine Career Center wishes to conduct soft skills training and corporate training classes to graduates as well as corporate executives and employees. The main focus is on building the skills of budding job seekers as well as to make the currently employed workforce even more efficient. The course contents for freshers are elementary grammar and conversational English, resume writing, job profile creation and online job search, interview skills with at least 2 mock interviews and career guidance. And for commerce streams trainees, we would like to train them in finance and tax related concepts and Tally, MS Excel and GST returns. Another stream of training services is corporate training. This is aimed at improving the skill sets of already employed people. The contents of this course shall be best practices in accounting and bookkeeping, concepts of income tax, GST related concepts, regular statutory compliance and drafting skills. The company provides various other services as well. These other services are assistance in corporate bookkeeping, tax planning and finance advisory, internal review of books of accounts, due diligence services, representation liaising and admin services, assistance in IT return filing for corporates and non-corporates. Now you would be wondering why us? Why choose Illumine for all the services mentioned in the earlier slides? Well, We have designed the courses to suit the needs of the job seekers while keeping in view the needs of the employers as well. The courses have been designed to be closer to real life situations with a lot of interaction. In this age of computers, it becomes imperative that our trainees are tech savvy and good at using the new age computer techniques. Let us now have some glimpses of our office, Illumin Career Center. These are a few pics of our office in Ballari. We have a 35-seater classroom with state-of-the-art facilities and a dedicated computer lab for practicing training sessions as well. Now in this age of social media, you can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube and Instagram as well. For more details about our company and services offered by us, please visit our office in Ballari at 24/1 first floor Maya Tower, Talu Road, Ballari. Or you can contact us on our mobile number 733787778 or email us at info@illumincareer.com. For more details, you can also visit our website www.illumincareer.com. The admissions for all the courses mentioned in the earlier slides are open. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel Illumin Career Center for informative videos and training sessions. Thank you once again.